Growing plants from seeds is a rewarding experience, but it can be frustrating when the seeds take too long to germinate. However, there are several things you can do to speed up seed germination and get your plants off to a great start. By following these tips, you can potentially speed up the process by 3 times. Soak the seeds. Soaking seeds before planting can help to soften their outer layer, which makes it easier for them to sprout. You can soak seeds in water for a few hours or overnight before planting. This will help to speed up the germination process by providing the seeds with the necessary moisture they need to sprout. However, be careful not to soak the seeds for too long, as this may cause them to rot. Use a seedling heat mat. Seedling heat mats can provide a consistent source of warmth that can help seeds to germinate faster. Place the seed tray on the heat mat and set it to the recommended temperature for the type of seed you're planting. This will help to speed up the germination process by providing the seeds with the optimal temperature they need to sprout. Make sure to monitor the temperature closely and adjust it as needed to prevent the seeds from drying out or overheating. Keep the soil moist. Seeds need moisture to germinate, so make sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Covering the seed tray with plastic wrap or a humidity dome can help to keep the soil moist and create a humid environment that's conducive to germination. Water the seeds from the bottom of the tray or with a spray bottle to avoid disturbing the soil surface and damaging the fragile seedlings. Provide good air circulation. Good air circulation can help to prevent the growth of mold and other pathogens that can inhibit seed germination. Use a fan to circulate air around the seed tray, or open a window to let in fresh air. This will help to create a healthy environment for the seeds to germinate and grow. Use high-quality soil. Using high-quality soil that's rich in nutrients can help to provide the right environment for seed germination. Choose a soil that's specifically formulated for seed starting. It should be fine-textured, well-draining, and free of weed seeds, diseases, and pests. Avoid using garden soil or potting soil, which may contain contaminants or lack the necessary nutrients for successful seed germination. Plant at the right time. Planting seeds at the right time can help to ensure that they germinate quickly. Check the seed packet for the recommended planting time for your area and plant accordingly. Planting too early or too late may result in poor germination rates or stunted growth. Also, make sure to plant the seeds at the appropriate depth according to the seed packet instructions. In conclusion, by implementing these tips, you can potentially speed up the germination process by 3 times and get your plants off to a great start. Remember to monitor the seeds closely and provide them with the optimal conditions they need to germinate and grow. With patience, care, and attention, you'll be rewarded with healthy, thriving plants that will bring joy and beauty to your home or garden.